Welcome to the Social Intelligence Channel. How well do you really know yourself? Join us as we take on the challenge of helping you build a better relationship with yourself, one step at a time. Building a relationship with yourself is one of the most important investments you can make for your personal growth and well-being. It's the foundation upon which all other relationships are built, and it's essential for living a happy, healthy, and fulfilling life. When it comes to connecting with ourselves, many of us face common struggles. We doubt our abilities, criticize ourselves harshly, and engage in negative self-talk. We may feel like we're not good enough, or that we don't deserve to be happy. These thoughts can be overwhelming, and they can hold us back from reaching our full potential. Another obstacle we may face is our tendency to prioritize everyone else's needs over our own. We put others first, often at the expense of our own well-being. We may feel guilty for taking time for ourselves, or we may believe that our needs are selfish. But the truth is, taking care of ourselves is not selfish, it's necessary. We can't pour from an empty cup, and we can't show up fully for others if we're not showing up fully for ourselves. Self-doubt and negative self-talk can also be major roadblocks on the path to self-connection. We may have grown up with negative messages, or we may have internalized societal expectations that tell us we're not enough. These messages can be limiting, and they can prevent us from seeing our own worth and value. But the good news is that we have the power to rewire our minds and replace these negative thoughts with positive, empowering ones. So, how can we start building a stronger relationship with ourselves? The first step is self-reflection. We need to take the time to get to know ourselves, to understand our values, our goals, and our desires. We need to listen to our intuition, and we need to honor our emotions. By doing so, we can gain a deeper understanding of who we are, and we can start to make choices that align with our true selves. Another important step is setting boundaries. We need to learn to say no to things that drain our energy, and we need to say yes to things that nourish our souls. We need to prioritize our own needs, and we need to take care of ourselves physically, emotionally, and mentally. By setting boundaries, we can create space for self-care, self-love, and self-acceptance. Practicing self-compassion is also crucial. We need to treat ourselves with kindness, understanding, and patience. We need to acknowledge that we're human, and we need to forgive ourselves for our mistakes. We need to focus on our strengths, and we need to celebrate our successes. By doing so, we can cultivate a sense of self-love and self-worth that will transform our lives. The transformative moment comes when we realize that we are enough, just as we are. We don't need to achieve anything, or accomplish anything, to be worthy. We are worthy simply because we exist. This realization is liberating, and it allows us to let go of the need for perfection. It allows us to embrace our imperfections, and it allows us to love ourselves unconditionally. Let us stand in front of the mirror, and each say to ourselves, "I love you." It sounds simple, but it is a profound moment of self-acceptance. We are acknowledging our own worth, and we are choosing to love ourselves, flaws and all. It is a moment of surrender, and it is a moment of freedom. As we continue on this journey of self-discovery, we will realize that building a relationship with ourselves is not a destination, it's a continuous journey. It's a journey of ups and downs, of twists and turns, of highs and lows. It's a journey of growth, of learning, and of evolution. So, let's recap the key steps we've discussed. Building a relationship with yourself requires self-reflection, setting boundaries, practicing self-compassion, and cultivating self-love. It requires patience, kindness, and understanding. It requires us to prioritize our own needs, and it requires us to take care of ourselves. Remember, building a relationship with yourself is a continuous journey. It's a journey that takes time, effort, and commitment. But the rewards are well worth it, a deeper sense of self-love, self-acceptance, and self-worth. If you've had any experiences or insights about building a relationship with yourself, please share them in the comments below. And don't forget to tune in to our next video on self-improvement techniques. It's going to be a game changer.